y'all, it's Simone here, and welcome back to another video. So for starters, I am starting off with my eyebrows, and as y'all seen, I will be using this Morphe eyebrow pencil, and I really like this pencil because it is very precise. And yeah, I got this in the color, I can't remember. I'll put it in the description box so y'all know exactly what color it is, but it's like a dark brown color. But yeah, this eyebrow pencil is like super soft and really thin. It's different from me because I always use NYX eyebrow pencil. But yeah, y'all see me doing my eyebrows. I don't always show y'all, but this is what it is, okay? So I'm just taking this Morphe James Charles mini palette, and the first color that I'm going to go in with is this darker blue for my base. And I'm just going to blend that out all over my eyes. I'm going to pack it on, but then I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, so taking a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna use that to blend out the outer edges on the eyeshadow so it's not a harsh line. Now going in with this 35 Icy Fantasy Morphe palette, I'm taking this light blue color right here, and I'm just going to use that on top of this darker blue. I really like this color. It makes it like a little bit softer. So yeah, I'm just taking that color and putting it all over the darker blue. And so after that, I just decided to put that same color on top of my eyelid because this color was so pretty to me. So I was just packing that color onto my eyelid, and yeah, that's pretty much it. By the way, if y'all haven't already, follow me on Instagram at sugar_honey, SUGAA_HONEYY, and it is also on the screen as well as in the description box. So yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I'm not really on there that much, but you can still follow me. Ain't nothing wrong with that. And you can also follow me on Snapchat and Twitter. Those are the only three that I'm really on that much, and they're all the same handle. So yeah, go ahead and follow me, girl. Don't be scared. Okay, so I'm going in with this NYX matte liquid liner. I really like this liner because it's actually matte. It dries matte black, so that's perfect for me. I usually use the e.l.f. one, but this one is pretty good. Sorry if y'all hear my doggies in the background. They like to talk. Okay, but yeah, I'm just taking this. I'm not doing a wing liner. I'm just lining my eyelid. Okay, so going in with this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I feel like I use this all the time, which I do, but it's really good. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 335 Classic Tan. And I'm so happy I found my shade, because the color that I was using before was definitely too light. So yeah, this color fits me perfectly. If you have like I don't know, because I don't have cool tones or warm tones or whatever it's called, but I did a color match and I just have neutral tones. So this is the color that I ended up with. But this color does blend super good. And I tried not to use too much because even though it is full coverage, I feel like I don't want it to be just packed on to my skin. So I just use like a quarter size, if that makes sense. So yeah. And this is a newbie for me, a Makeup Revolution concealer. And I believe this is in either 13 or 12, if I'm not mistaken. I'll just leave it in the description box below, the specific color. But yeah, this really works good. Like, it's a thick, creamy concealer, and I don't really have to put a lot, but it did the job. So yeah, this is just what I'm using for my highlighted areas. And yeah, everything will pretty much be shown on the screen. And like I always say, I will include everything that I used in the description box. Because I feel like I do use some of the same things, minus a few things that, like one or two things that I just changed, like my concealer and foundation. But as far as everything else is pretty much the same, so it'll be shown on the screen. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath, but yeah, y'all just enjoyed this video. I'm glad y'all are staying tuned in. I'm trying to, make sure that you guys are tuned into the video, like talking to y'all or whatever. But yeah, just enjoy the video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.